Diffuser Beads by White Rhino. Diffuser beads come in 5 colors. These are non-toxic plastic diffuser beads. This bag is a strain and store bag. When you're done using the diffuser beads in a water pipe, you can pour the water pipe directly in this bag. The water will strain through the slits right here on the bottom of this bag, and the diffuser beads will fall into the bag. To use the diffuser beads, here I have a water pipe already filled with them. Here's an empty bag. Just imagine this was filled up with water. You could just pour this directly into the bag, and the diffuser beads will fall in and the water will strain through the bag. You just keep doing this till you get all the diffuser beads out. You could also go through right here and just pour the diffuser beads out this way as well. Diffuser beads act as an extra percolator inside the water pipe. Do not use diffuser beads if your water pipe has percolators up here, as the diffuser beads could get stuck into the percolator and clog the water pipe. Diffuser Beads by White Rhino.